Hello, myself Mohammad Mansoori. I am a third-year student in data science and AI in IIT Guwahati, and I am a working professional working as a mechanical engineer, specialist in vibration analysis and work process automation, translating physical system into the optimization model in my company. And today's presentation is about my 7th semester term project, and my project name is the Global Resiliency and Transition Frameworks. So this is the overview of my project. So I start with my project with the World Bank APIs, and I fetch the data from the World Bank API by the Python, then do some ETL and normalization with the normalization by the Python. Then I transfer those data, I fetch those data into the Power BI, convert it into different DAX measurement, then generate the dashboard. Overall raw global indicators for over 200 territories are fetched in a real-time World Bank API. In automated Python script, normalize the data, while the Power BI DAX expression construct the variance models and multivariate correlation. The output is not just a dashboard, it's an automated system to identify global resilience, benchmark, regional risk, and performance outlier. Let me take you to my code. So this is my code of to fetching the data from the World Bank API. Basically, it starts with the two basic library. One is Pandas to create data into the data frames, and second one is a request to request the data from the APIs. And this is the primary code where I am testing is I am receiving the data or not from the API. So this send a request and I am getting a 200, it means I am receiving the response correct. Then next is to start with iterating from the different data of the World Bank APIs. Okay, so to iterate from the different World Bank APIs data, so again the same, I am doing the same to test the response. Then I am running a loop to create a data frame which the following attributes: the country ID, country name, a year, value, and indicators. We will come to this with indicator later on. And then I'm transferring all those information to the data frame. For the indicators, I have created this library where I can paste each line item is acting as one single indicator. Where the indicators are in the World Bank APIs are the different kind of data which can be analyzed, which can generated from the different countries and transferred to the World Bank API. So these are the different. So code is designed in that way. If I need one more indicator and one more data set from the World Bank API, I just need to add one more line here, and I will fetch those data into the Power BI. Then remaining is just to merge the data and analyze the metadata for is I am getting a correct data or not. Okay, and a few aggregation function. Once I done with this, I transfer my all the data to the, I fetch my all data, automated data into the Power BI, and to get those data, I just tested that I am receiving or not. So these are the some cards has been generated. To evaluate this one, so I took different. I can say 6 different measurements to check that I am receiving the correct information or not. I am able to, was anybody able to do the analysis based on this data. I collected 6 different problem statement, and these are the 6 different problem statement as you can see, and these are my analysis which is already been kept into the report. Okay. So these are the first problem statement and outcome. I'll not go through the all because there is a time constraint of the video. And this is the second, third, fourth. I have created 3 more graphs. Fifth, this is generated for a heat map directly in the Power BI using the Python code. And this is the 6th. Let me take you to my Power BI. So each tab shows a different problem statements, and for each problem statement I have created the measurements related to it. As you can see, there is a country selector, so you can select the country, which country you want to analyze. Just I'll take an example of this one, Ecuador, and the dashboard will show you what is the situation of Ecuador. Okay, so it shows the economic lag, environmental leader, and economic support needed. Okay, so economic lag is there. As you can see, the global GDP is 6.2. okay, and GDP per capita for them is 6.2, where the global 2.5 and global GDP is 19.23k dollar. So there is a huge difference between them. So this difference shows that they have an economic lag. So when I take another example of any other Turkey, so they have also similar kind of it covers forest and everything. So this kind of dashboard has been generated for each and every problem statement, where you can find a different country and this is the one unique I got a unique problem statement, which in the World Bank API there was no information. So finally I have dropped this, because the 65.9% data was missing in the World Bank API related to the poverty index. This is the fourth. So each one I have created separate window. Okay, these all are available in my report. Thank you very much. This is all about it. Due to the time constraint, I have reduced my PPT to the only overview. The remaining all are in the report.